How to delete contacts from iCloud backup. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can actually delete contacts from iCloud backup, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now over the years, whenever you have signed in your Apple ID, maybe that all of your contacts are also backed up on your iCloud and you would like to completely delete them from your iCloud. Now for this, what you can actually do is you could open the settings application, go to your Apple ID, tap on iCloud. Over here you should be able to tap the show all option here. Once you tap on show all, you should be able to find contacts in this case, and once you find contacts you can simply turn off contacts over here. So you can see app syncing to iCloud Drive. You can go ahead and then turn off iCloud contacts, but that will not delete them as well. You can delete completely, but you cannot just delete only the contacts. So if you want to delete only the contacts, what you have to do is open your Safari browser and just go to iCloud.com. I repeat, just go to iCloud.com here, and when you go to iCloud.com, log in with your Apple ID on your browser, and once you log in with the Apple ID on your browser, you should be able to go ahead and then basically find the contacts that you want to delete, and then you will be able to delete them accordingly as well. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically delete contacts from your Apple ID on iCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.